If you're a homeowner, you know that every upgrade counts. One of the most powerful ways to increase your home's value, both in terms of resale and your own enjoyment, is replacing outdated or damaged windows. Jennings Window Replacement offers high-quality, professional window replacement services that can transform the look, feel, and efficiency of your home. Here's why investing in new windows with Jennings can be one of the smartest moves you make. Boost curb appeal instantly. First impressions matter, and your home's windows play a huge role in how it looks from the street. Faded, chipped, or warped windows can make even the nicest house look run down. Jennings Window Replacement provides stylish, modern window options that refresh your home's exterior and instantly improve its curb appeal. This makes your property stand out in your neighborhood and more attractive to potential buyers if you ever decide to sell. Increase energy efficiency. Older windows often let valuable heat escape in the winter and allow hot air in during the summer, leading to higher energy bills. Modern, energy-efficient windows from Jennings are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round by reducing drafts and blocking harmful UV rays. These improvements not only save you money on heating and cooling but are also a major selling point to buyers who want to keep their utility costs low. Enhance safety and security. New windows don't just look nice, they can also improve your home's security. Jennings Window Replacement offers windows with stronger frames, reinforced locks, and shatter-resistant glass options. These features make it much harder for intruders to break in, giving you and your family peace of mind. Enhanced security features can also be attractive to potential buyers, making your home more appealing on the market. Reduce maintenance hassle. Old wood or metal windows often require a lot of upkeep, from painting and scraping to fixing rotted frames. Jennings installs modern windows made with durable materials like vinyl and fiberglass that resist weather damage, fading, and warping. They're easier to clean and require far less maintenance, saving you time and effort in the long run, another bonus for future homebuyers. Improve indoor comfort and noise reduction. High-quality replacement windows help keep your indoor temperatures steady and comfortable no matter the weather outside. Plus, they can block out street noise and other outside sounds, creating a peaceful environment inside your home. Jennings Professional Installation ensures an airtight seal that helps you get the full benefit of noise reduction and climate control, adding even more value to your living space. Professional service that makes a difference. One of the reasons Jennings Window Replacement stands out is their commitment to excellent service. Their team of trained professionals takes the time to measure, consult, and install windows with precision and care. A flawless installation protects your investment and ensures the new windows perform exactly as promised. Working with a reputable company like Jennings means fewer headaches and better results, and that confidence is worth a lot when you're looking to boost your home's value. A smart investment in your future. Replacing your windows is one of those upgrades that pays you back in multiple ways: comfort, safety, lower energy costs, and a higher resale price. Buyers today are willing to pay more for a move-in ready home with modern features, and new windows check a lot of those boxes. With Jennings Window Replacement, you can rest assured you're making a smart, long-lasting investment that will serve you and your family well for years to come. If you've been thinking about ways to add value to your home, window replacement is a great place to start, and Jennings is ready to help you every step of the way.